Hello guys, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas video for this week starting today, the 24th of May 2021. Before we jump into the trading ideas, let me remind you that there's the special sale at 50% down on the Elite Pack. It is the Memorial Day sale and you can get it by clicking this banner. So let me click it and let me show you. So clicking that banner will take you to this page. And if you scroll down, then there is the Elite Pack. The Elite Pack is the recommended training pack, and this week is the last week of the sale when you can get the 50% off. And the Elite Pack consists of volume profile video course, which is 15-hour long training on trading with volume profile, price action and VWAP. It also includes my personal trading levels. Those are intraday trading levels. You'll be getting those twice every day, and you'll also be getting swing trading levels. Now, you'll also get volume profile pack, which is pack of volume profile indicators, which I developed for NinjaTrader 8 and MetaTrader 4 platform. And as a bonus, you'll get VWAP indicator and my books, which I wrote, Volume Profile, the Insider's Guide to Trading, and the newest book, Order Flow, Trading Setups. Now, as an addition to all of this, you'll also get free tech support for Elite Pack members. And this means that our tech support will set up NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all the indicators. They'll set you up with workspaces, the workspaces which I use, my personal workspaces. They'll set you up with a data feed, and they'll do it completely free of charge. So this way you'll be able to focus on your trading and on the learning how to trade with volume profile rather than just setting everything up yourself. All right. So that's about the recommended Elite Pack. The 50% sale is ending on Monday, next Monday. All right. So let's go into the trading ideas. What you see before you is my day trading workspace, volume profile workspace, and those charts which you see, those three charts, they are always linked. They always show the same trading instrument, in this case Euro Swiss franc, and the chart at the top is sort of a big overview chart where I have weekly profiles printed, so those get printed every week automatically, and they show how the volumes were distributed throughout the whole week, right? Now, the next chart, this 30-minute chart, is the chart where I use my flexible volume profile. This is a profile you can move around. Pretty handy thing for looking into specific areas in the chart where you are interested in. And the last chart, this is a 15-minute chart. And in here, those are 4-hour profiles. Every 4 hours, a volume profile gets printed there. All right, so that's the layout which I use. Now, well, let me show you the trading idea I have on the Euro Swiss franc. It is based on the newly formed downtrend. And here, the trend started from this place, from this little rotation, and you can see that there was pretty strong sell-off right after this rotation. So I think that sellers were building up their shorts in here in this rotation, and then they initiated this strong selling activity, and then they continued with this downtrend. Now, if you look into this chart, this is the chart with the flexible volume profile, then you can see that I selected this area. This is the rotation area, this one. This is the rotation area right before this strong selling activity. As you can see, the heaviest volumes were in here, 1.1009, and from there the sell-off started. So I think that sellers placed most of their shorts in this area, and if there is a pullback, those sellers will want to defend this place. They'll want to defend their short positions. This area is important for them because they place a lot of their shorts in here, right? So that's why I expect a selling reaction. This is what makes this level a strong day trading resistance. So that's the trading idea on the Euro Swiss franc, and let's now go into the next one, which is on the Euro Canadian dollar. So now all the charts show the Euro Canadian dollar, and the trading idea which I wanted to show you is actually pretty similar as to the previous one. There was a rotation from which strong sell-off started. This is the volume accumulation setup, and let me show you with a flexible volume profile, right? Again, we have a zone where there was a rotation and heavy volumes traded, and then the sell-off started. So the sell-off tells us that strong sellers were building up their short positions before the sell-off. Where? Well, I would say that in this rotation, because big institutional traders need rotation to enter the trades, right? They can't really enter massive trades in a strong trend. They need to do it in a rotation. So I think they did it in here, and then they manipulated the price downwards. So when there's a pullback to 1.4767, this is where the volumes were the heaviest, I think that those sellers will want to push the price downwards. Again, this is an important zone for them because they placed a lot of their shorts there, and they'll want to defend it. Alright, so strong day trading resistance at 1.4767. Another bonus to this level is that it's very close to the point of control of the whole week, which is in here just a bit below the level, and also the first deviation of the VWAP in here from the previous week was very close to the level. Alright, so we have first deviation of the VWAP, we have weekly point of control, and we have this volume accumulation setup in here. 3 setups pointing to this area. Right? So that's for the resistance on the Euro Canadian dollar. Let's now move forward into the next trading idea, and this one will be on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. So this one is also based on volume accumulation setup, and let's start by looking at the weekly volume profile. This is where the volumes were the heaviest in this whole previous week, this price level, 0.8676, and from there was a strong sell-off. This is the sell-off, right? You can see it also in here on the 30-minute time frame. So what I'm interested in most is this rotation from which the sell-off started. I'm interested in how the volumes were distributed there. So let me zoom it in a bit and show you the volumes. See, heaviest volumes in this rotation from which the strong sell-off started were in here. So that's why I think that the sellers who manipulated the price downwards from this area placed most of their shorts in here, and they'll want to defend this zone. So this is why I think this is a strong resistance. Now in this case, the ideal stop loss and take profit would be something like this. This would be the ideal stop loss above this rejection of higher prices. So this is the stop loss. Ideal take profit at least with risk reward ratio 1. So somewhere in here. But you can go for bigger take profit. It depends on the volumes, how the volumes will be in here in this area. You always want to take your take profit in a heavy volume area, right? So if the price hit the short now, then the ideal place for the take profit would be in here because of the heavy volumes, right? The stop loss stays the same above this high of the rejection. That's a nice place for a stop loss. Now you can also notice that the price was reacting to this general area in the past. Not exactly to it, but you can tell that this area was important. This level was important, right? That's another nice confluence to the level we have there. And also, if you look at the VWAP, this is the first deviation from the previous week, this gray line. Also, it lies exactly at our level, right? So another nice confluence to have, another nice reason to take the short from there. All right, so that's about that, guys. That's about the trading ideas. Now, what I would like to do now is announce the winner of the contest for flexible volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. Right now, on your screen, you should see the person who won the indicator. So congratulations for winning it. And what I'll do for the next weekly trading ideas video is I'll do another contest. The only thing you need to do to participate in this contest is just leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on YouTube. And in the next weekly trading ideas video, which is coming up, I think, in 2 weeks, I'll randomly pick one person to win my volume profile indicator for MetaTrader 4. All right? So that's about our volume profile contest. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you found it useful. And I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in the next video. And until then, happy trading.